So it's Thursday and we're gonna hit a bunch of Telesin products for the GoPro. Oh, and also I'll be giving some of these products away, so make sure you stay tuned. Ready? Today we have a bunch of Telesin products that we're gonna get to. Thank you to Telesin for sending some of these to me, and also Camgo here in Australia. They sent some of these as well. And with it being 30-second Thursday, we are gonna take a quick look at every product, give it 30 seconds. I'll let you know if it's hot or not. I'll be putting links to all of the products down in the description, so you can check that out. Some of them might even have coupon codes depending on what country you're in. So just check down in the description for all the pricing and info on each product. And if I mention I'm doing a giveaway on the product, all you have to do is write in the comments that you like that certain product, and you'll be in the running for the giveaway on my next live stream. Having said that, let's get to our first product and start the clock. The first product is an aluminum alloy housing case for the GoPro Hero 9. And this thing is strong. It is made well. It's very durable. If you did drop it on the ground, this definitely would protect the back screen. If you dropped it on the front, you probably would break your lens cover, but you know, those are cheap and easy to replace. And it has two cold shoes on the top for microphones. It also has screw threads on the bottom for tripods. They also include a little mounting system that you can put on the bottom and easy access to your battery. One of the drawbacks to me is it doesn't come with any kind of thing that you can put the 3.5mm adapter. But if you're an extreme sports kind of person, I would say this is hot. And as far as a giveaway, I actually did give this one away on my last live stream. However, the person hasn't claimed it yet. So if you want to be part of the giveaway, just write down in the comments that you like the metal cage. All right, time reset. And the next product is the mouth mount from Telesin. And what this is you put your GoPro on here, bite down on the mouth mount, and you can get a cool POV, point of view. I actually recommend putting it upside down. That way you're not blocking your field of view.
Now you can see what I'm looking at when I'm talking on the thing.
It can get a bit disgusting because, I mean, it's your spit and saliva. So for that, this is definitely not gonna be in a giveaway because that would be really gross. I would put this in the hot category. I would actually give this an 8. So the next one I don't need to spend too much time on because I've done a whole review video on it, but it is the bottom mounting system from Telesin, where they actually give you a screw thread at the bottom. That is genius. I give that a 10 hot must-have item on your GoPro. I will not be giving this away because I love it too much and it's not that expensive for you to just go get one for yourself. I wanted to actually bring up this product before I talk about the next one because you'll see. The next one is a little mini tripod ball head for the GoPro phone, whatever, mirrorless camera. So here it is. It's a little bit plasticky, but also for that same reason, it's very lightweight. That makes life so much easier. So there we go, a mini tripod with the ball head, but look, it also extends up and then you can turn around and you can use it as a little bit of a selfie stick. This is very convenient. This would be great to take with you on trips if you're traveling or just something on your desk. So I'm actually gonna give this a 9.5. It's hot. I would be using this a lot. Wow, that rhymed. Okay, the next one on the list is this Telesin Multifunctional LED. So this light right here is actually pretty good quality. It recharges with USB-C. It's got 3 cold shoe mounts on the top, and it also has a cold shoe on the bottom for mounting and a screw thread for a tripod. It has 7 modes on it, and you can shuffle through the different modes by just pressing the back power button, and it has a dial wheel to adjust the brightness. Depending on what mode and how bright you use it, the battery can last up to 2 hours. So it's a nice little light. It's multifunctional. It gives you some good bright key light for you when you're using your GoPro, and it also comes in at a very low price. I would put this in a 7.5, hot-ish. And you know what? I'll give this away to one of you lucky viewers. So make sure you write down in the comments that you like the multifunctional light. So the next one we're gonna look at is the Telesin Compact microphone. It has a nice big fluffy wind muff. Also, it has the shock mount. It's got your cables so you can connect it to a phone or to a camera. It's got a nice little carrying case and the microphone itself, which looks really fancy. All right, so this is a microphone test with the GoPro. We got the Telesin on there. I like it. I think it looks really nice. It would also be a nice addition to a bigger camera or your phone. I would actually give this an 8 and say it's hot because it sounds good. It's not too expensive and it looks really nice as well. And guess what? I have 2 of them because Telesin sent me one and Camgo. So I will be giving one of these away. If you want the microphone, just let me know in the comments. So the next one is just a case for the GoPro Hero 9, and it's made well, very hard, good fabric. Inside, it feels like very soft, very velvety. You put your GoPro on it, put it there and you zip it up. And it also leaves room in case you wanted to keep your tripod connected to it. Before I actually got this case, there were so many times I was putting the Hero 9 in my backpack and I was so worried about it getting scratched up. A lot of times I was putting like it in my hat, like you'd see right here. And this is a very inexpensive product. Check it out, the link is down below. It seems silly, but I would give this a 10. It is hot, this is a hot item right here, but I'm not giving it away because I really like this thing a lot, so I'm selfish. Okay, and moving quickly to the next thing, it's just a small tripod from Telesin. So it's a nice little travel tripod. It's very small and compact. As far as usefulness, I would actually give this an 8 and say it's hot. If you want that really low shot and want to make sure your GoPro is nice and steady, this is great for that. And this is actually a product I did give away on my last live stream. And that was actually a package giveaway. He also won this phone stand from Telesin, which pairs really nicely with this tripod. That way, if you're shooting something with your phone, you can take this and you can actually turn it horizontal or vertically. I actually give this a 7.5. I would use this a lot. This is Telesin Video Fill Light. Let's have a look at it. So this is a very lightweight plasticky kind of light. It's pretty bright actually. It's got 3 different bright modes and it's got a screw thread at the bottom so that you can put it on a tripod, but it also comes with this little cold shoe attachment. And the way that this light works is it has a couple different filters that you can actually clip on to get the desired feel, the color you want. So as far as the light itself, compared to the other light, I actually think the other one is a little bit better, but at the same time, this takes up like no room. So it's not hot, it's not, it's right in the middle, lukewarm. I'd give this a 5. And congratulations to Jeremy for winning this whole little setup. And a big thank you to Camgo in Australia. They're the ones that sent this, so make sure you check them out. All right, moving right along, we have the Telesin backpack holder. You put this on your backpack strap. That way, if you're hiking, you're walking, you have your GoPro ready to roll. And it's very travel friendly because you could just leave it on your backpack as you travel. I did a whole video already where I reviewed a bunch of different mounting accessories and this was on it if you are doing something actiony and you need this attached easily and quickly. So I'd give this a 9 as a really good mounting accessory to have. Okay, I have 3 more products to look at, and one of them I did a whole review on it, but I really wanted to mention it because it's awesome. This is the Telesin Smart Auto Tracking little device where you can put your GoPro on, and it uses AI to detect the movement of the person, and it follows you around anywhere you go. Check it out. I did a whole review on it. It was a great video. A lot of people loved it and bought it as well. I would put this more in the 7 category of hot because it's a great product to have. I don't use it all the time, but it's nice to know I have it when I need it. So a little honorable mention because Telesin did send this to me. They sent me a bunch of these little accessories for mounting. I love this kind of stuff. I have bags of these kind of accessories because I end up using them all the time. They have put a lot of thought into all these little drill holes and cold shoe mounts. Like, I feel like you can connect these to just about anything. This is perfect. Something like this is exactly what you'd need if you want to like compare the Hero 7 to the Hero 9. All right, and last thing that I want to share, because this is going to be really annoying to edit all this stuff with the time and the overlays, but it's the Telesin Dome. If you don't know why you would ever want a dome, it's for when you go in the water and you want kind of those half underwater, half out of water shots because the water line will hit and you can see both sides of it. This one is nice, just an easy flip and you throw your GoPro in there. So other domes I've used actually are 2 separate things. It's like a waterproof case that then goes into this, which doesn't work. So this is actually one solid body that helps reduce it from fogging up. I also really love the design of the case for this, and it makes it very easy to travel with. They do include a couple of attachments that go with it, and I will do a deeper dive video on this, no pun intended. I'm gonna go off to some cool spots in Australia to where you can do some snorkeling and really test this out and make its own videos, so stay tuned for that. The quality of this thing is a 9 out of 10. Like, it is fantastic quality. Would you want one of these? Maybe I'll give it away. Not sure yet. I'll do a deeper dive video first. But if you are someone definitely looking for a dome, look at this one right here. This thing is built really well. All right, I think that this video has gone long enough for a 30-second Thursday, so thank you so much for sticking with me to the end. Remember, links are all in the description. Also, if you want more information on certain products, please let me know in the comments. And if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, and if you could hit that thumbs up button, that would be fantastic. This has been a very long video, and I should probably get out of here very soon and start cleaning up. Don't forget, you can check out my Tech is Hard podcast. I have a music channel and more GoPro videos right here. All right.